I play chess with a guy who was in a gulag as a 10-year-old kid. He survived, obviously. And I said, what was it like? The family was sent to Siberia. He said, well, the snow was 6 feet high. We crawled through the window because we couldn't open the door. Was it terrible? No. What do you mean it wasn't terrible? Everybody was in it together. Everybody suffered the same. And we all helped each other. Sense of community. And he said, I learned to play chess. We made the pieces out of bread. And he's a good chess player. But that has stayed with me. This is a guy who should complain about what a terrible life. And he said, so how did you get out of that terrible gulag? When the Americans joined the war against Hitler, Stalin, as a gesture, opened up this particular Jewish camp and sent them to Palestine through Persia, Iran at the time. And I ended up in England, where I had a relative. But, it was pure luck that he decided to open up this camp and not that camp. This is, this is American life.